Wisconsin's Department of Health Services has issued an Operations Memo updating a change to the good cause policy for those not able to meet the FoodShare work requirement. And this state change actually follows federal guidance. In short, the department says they're going to remove the 40-hour limit on good cause hours for a given time-limited benefit month. And we're going to describe what that means. But first, make note the change took effect October 1st, 2024. And we're going to look at the old policy and then we're going to look at the change. Now, here's the old policy. Recall, FoodShare members who are able-bodied adults without dependents must meet a work requirement to keep their FoodShare eligibility, unless they are subject to an exemption. If someone does not meet the work requirement that they are supposed to be meeting, they can only receive FoodShare benefits for 3 months in a 3-year period. And those 3 months are considered that time-limited benefit month period. That's what we mean by time-limited benefit months. In some cases, FoodShare members were not able to meet the work requirement for circumstances that were considered out of their control. And there was a good cause process for saying, I'm not able to meet the FoodShare work requirement, so don't take away my benefits. Some examples might be your work activity was canceled. You were discriminated against at that work. Maybe there were legal issues or a lack of transportation. The consortia would apply up to a combined total of 40 good cause hours toward your time-limited benefit months as kind of a buffer to keep you in the FoodShare program until you could restore work. The new policy gets rid of that 40-hour cap. Consortia workers can grant good cause hours toward a FoodShare member's time-limited benefit month to cover the entirety of the work or the work activity hours missed due to the circumstances beyond the member's control. If it happens that the member ends up meeting the work requirement with the addition of good cause hours, then the member's time-limited benefit month is removed and not counted against their 3-month limit. Workers will continue to consider all of the facts and circumstances when making their good cause determinations, and they could always ask for clarification or verification along the way. You can read that operations memo. We link to it in the description below.